HX650 Fully Automatic Adhesive Sticker Slitting Machine. The 650 Fully Automatic Adhesive Sticker Slitting Machine is a fully automatic equipment developed specifically for cordless adhesive sticker products. This machine can be used for cutting various types of cordless adhesive sticker new products. This machine has functions such as automatic paper loading, automatic deviation correction, automatic slitting, automatic shaft pulling, automatic labeling, and automatic discharge, which can greatly improve production efficiency and save labor costs. Parameter: max unwinding paper roll width 650 mm, max paper loading diameter 1 meter, slitting speed 0 to 200 meter, weight 2,000 kg.